everyone, welcome to another explainer video where we will discuss the flow of Attendkor app developed by StudyLeague. We are delighted to have had the opportunity to develop an Attendkor app with a unique concept that has the potential to revolutionize education. The challenges we encountered along the way have not only strengthened our team but have also paved the path for the remarkable success of Attendkor. Let's dive right into the signing page of Attendkor. You can select user type either from teacher or student. If you are a teacher, you will receive an email ID and password from your institute or college. Later, you can set the password as needed. For students, there is a registration process where you need to fill in all the required fields to proceed with verification to both a mobile number and email address. This will complete the registration, making you a new student. We will first look into the student interface. Now I will enter the registered email ID and password that I have set for it. Upon signing in, you will first see the Gzod page, which is the main highlight of this app. Gzod is a social media platform where you can discover inspirational quotes, photos, videos, and draw inspiration from its content. You can like or dislike the post. If the description of any post is lengthy, you can simply tap on More to read the entire description. In Gzod, we address a challenge. If you are watching a video and scroll up or down to tap on another video, the currently playing video will pause at that point and the new one will start playing. In Gzod, we address a challenge. If you are watching a video and scroll up or down to tap on another video, the currently playing video will pause at that point and the new one will start playing. As you can see,
शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या किया तो प्रतापगढ़ पर उसको बुलाते हैं। जब वो बुलाते हैं उनकी शामियाना भेंट होती है और अफजल खान उन्हें गले लगा लेता है और
Hello and welcome. Let's take a look at the top story that we are tracking for you. India Chandrayaan 3 has sent in the first observations from the payload.
So this is the main objective and the challenge that it can ease out and make a simple. As you start scrolling down, you will encounter the View More option. Its purpose is to reduce the viewing time of Gzod by limiting the number of latest posts visible. If you want to view older posts, you can simply tap on View More to load the set of older posts. This keeps the student focused on recent posts, and by reducing the loading time, users are more likely to stay engaged. At top on the right hand side, you can find My Jobs button. Here you can view a list of job listings and apply for them by uploading your resume. On the job card, you can see the information about the job role, the company, with you can see job type like full-time, part-time, internship, the location of the company, and a brief description of the requirements for that role. If I click on read more, you can see the full brief requirement of that job description. And if I click on read less, you can see the brief is now minimized. If I click on apply, you can see the pop-up of upload your resume. Here you can upload the resume and click submit button. Thus you have submitted for this job role, and later on you get notified if the job application is you have resume that have sent it gets accepted or not. Returning to Gzod, let's take a quick look at the student profile. In the basic profile, you can view your name, mobile number, email address, date of birth, gender, password and bio, where you can add traits or information that represents you. Below you can find the college or institution card. Since we have already added the institution or college, you can view details such as institution or college name, unique student ID for the college, stream, class and division, as well as the lab group. To add an institution, you need to enter the institution code provided by the student's respective college. To verify if the user is an authorized student at their institution or college, we have employed a pre-validation method. This involves comparing the user's email address and mobile number with the student data added by the college. We have established chat features to students where if he has any query about college or institution related, he can share through admin chat features seen on institution or college card. Here he can ask any query about institute related to the admin and get a respective reply for the questions he have asked. Now I come on back on. While if he had any concern about app features and facing some issue regarding app, he will share his concern through super admin features. Here you can see the super admin messages tab. If you click on it, you can just send a query to a super admin about the app features or any difficulties in app usage. As you can see, I have message already. To the request, I have queries about the job related page. So you can see all the messages that I have sent to the super admin and respective replies to that questions replied by super admin.
Here at the sign in page, we will first select the user type as a teacher and enter the email address and password to get right into the teacher interface. Here I enter the email address. Then I will enter the password which has been set by teacher, and now I sign in. As you can see, Gzod is a common page on both the interface of the app. Only the My Jobs button here is missing from the teacher interface. Now we check the profile of the teacher app. Here you can see the basic details, same as students details only. Addition is of institution name and qualification. We have an admin chat feature, same as student. As you can see the admin chat of the teacher interface. Here also you can say the message to the admin. Now we will explore get reports and publish notice feature side by side with the student interface when we discuss the attendance flow. You are now looking at the Attendkor page of both the interfaces. Here you can see the timetable.
You are now looking at the Attendkor page of both the interface. Here you can see the timetable of current week, and by tapping on next week you can see the next week timetable. If you look at current day, here you can see the lectures to be taken on this day. On teacher's end, you will see only lectures which is to be taken. On lecture card you can see stream, class, subject, classroom, time and date. If you click on teacher's name, you can see the teacher's profile. Here you can see the teacher's profile icon, institution name, her teacher's name, bio and her qualification, her or his qualification. Now we will generate a code on the teacher's side. This is done when the teacher enters the class and shares the code with students. On the drop down you have to select the classroom name or the classroom number and next, click on next. So here you can see the generated code to students and attend lecture. Here, to get accurate attendance of students which are currently present in class, we use geolocation coordinates. So if students which are in classroom, only they can mark attendance to that lecture, not the students which are out of class and still knows the code. On the teacher's side, you can see the code generated along with e-register and inactive button. Student will enter that code, submit, and will mark his attendance. E-register is given to add manual attendance present in that classroom. By tapping on inactive button, you can mark this lecture as completed. When the teacher completes his or her lecture and clicks inactive, the student's lecture will automatically be updated as completed if he attended the lecture. Here on the teacher side, you can see the summary of the lecture attended by the students, like total students, absent students, present students, and you can view the attendance of the students from here. And here on the attendance sheet, you can see the stream, class, subject, classroom, and the time at which the lecture has been taken, and the list of students. On the add student tab, you can add students which are present but haven't gotten the code or just missed the code attendance, so you can manually add the student here. If I click on done, you can see on the teachers app that the lecture has been marked completed, and on the student interface you can see the lecture will be automatically updated as a completed if he attended the lecture. Here on the student app, you can see the lecture has been attended by the student and marks as completed. After the completion of the lecture, the teacher can still add or delete the attendance of students based on their roll number. Here you can delete the attendance of a student, or teacher can add the student if needed. Here you can see if any teacher cancels his or her lecture of that day, it will be seen as cancelled card. You can see free lectures by clicking on the free lectures icon here on the top left of the app bar. Here any teacher who is free can take those lectures and mark his own by selecting subject, classroom, and then this will again get updated on students timetable. So if you recall, in the teacher's profile there is a publish notice. We will now create a notice in it. Here you can add description. Along with description you can also add image from camera or from gallery. As you can see, here you can see the pop-up, are you sure you want to publish the notice? I will tap on yes. After we publish, we will go to the notice board of both the interface. Here you can see notice we just have published. We will now check get reports in the teacher interface, where you can get an Excel sheet of attendance, blacklist and teacher reports. For attendance and blacklist report, you need to select stream, semester, class, division, from date and today. And for teacher report, you need to select from date to date, stream, semester, class, division, subject to generate the report. Attendance reports will get the overall attendance stats of all the students of that division subject wise. Blacklist report will generate a list of students who have low overall attendance than the minimum required criteria. Teacher report will generate the overall attendance percentage of students of that particular subject. Onto the student interface. If you click on attendance stats, you first see the ad, then you can see the overall attendance, subject wise attendance, and top 3 students attendance percentage of your class or division. Thus, we have fully explained the Attendkor student and teacher flow, where we have tackled lots of challenges and upgrade ourselves, be it creating timetable and sorting all the lectures across current and next week, calculating the overall attendance of students, be it subject wise and according to dates, integrating social media platform like Gzone. Now we will end this video here and meet you in our next explainer video. For now, have a good day.